Hey everyone, SkyTrack 13 meteorologist Sean Ash with a Sunday evening forecast update, little after 9 p.m. Let's give you the rundown of what's happening here across central Indiana. Pretty quiet evening for us, really. 81 in the city at this point in time, dew point near 70, so it is certainly muggy. Hit 87 today, only a trace of precipitation for the month. You don't need me to tell you. One of the wettest Julys on record, one of the wettest months on record. We're now the fourth wettest month in Indianapolis since records began back in 1871. We still have plenty of July left, and so we will likely kind of keep climbing this. Wettest summers on record. We're also on the fourth wettest summer, meteorologically speaking. That is June through August. So we have a whole month and a half to go to try to track down 1875. I'm A-OK staying exactly where we are, and I will tell you that the medium to long range models next 7 days are showing about an inch or less. Now again, you get underneath the downpour, you'll get that rather quickly, but on average both the GFS and the European model, at least the runs from this morning, that's what they're displaying at this point in time. Satellite radar, the big boomers were east of us today, far eastern Indiana and into Ohio. We have noticed, and I think it's because there's a little weak disturbance right there. We're starting to see a few little downpours popping up on the radar, and that will be in play between now and I'd say probably the next 4 or 5 hours. Some of these may creep into the metro, to be determined, but we will keep it in play. Going to be a warm night. I think most spots are probably going to be right around 70 degrees, maybe a little farther north, Lafayette, Peru, Logansport, Marion, you get down in the mid-60s. There are going to be some areas of fog developing, I believe, and we'll keep in, again, the spotty downpours as we head into the morning commute. For tomorrow, here's how it's going to shake down. I think with daytime heating, we're going to start to see some spotty showers, some rumbles of thunder popping up. Temperatures ranging from about 85 in Peru, 88 in North Vernon. And your planner for tomorrow, chance of strong to severe thunderstorms. The Indianapolis Indians are back in town tomorrow. First pitch at 7:05 against Scranton. And can't rule out a stray shower or thunderstorm. And there's a risk for severe weather. I think the best chance of this, more than likely, is going to be a little farther to the south here. You see, this is by 11 p.m. Then I think once we get through about Tuesday morning, really should be precipitation free with a slight chance on Tuesday south of I-70. And then transitioning into less humid air. It's going to take a little while. May not notice it much on Tuesday morning. Tuesday afternoon, yes, by 5 p.m., probably locked into the upper 70s. All right. And then as we play through the middle part of the week, high pressure starts to work in, and man, it's really going to bring in some comfortable conditions. Dew point numbers by the time we get into Wednesday are going to be in the 50s, so the muggy meter is going to get rather comfortable. And then as we play through time here, Wednesday looks to be pretty good, and that really sets us up for a nice dry stretch, one of the drier stretches we've had all summer long here, and that's reflected in the SkyTrack 13 7-day forecast. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday look nice. We look ahead to Brickyard 400 weekend qualifying on Saturday. Right now, I have it dry at 86. And for Brickyard 400 Sunday, we do have isolated storm chances. Now, please keep in mind, this far out, that forecast could change. Check back. We will keep you updated. I'll be on the air at 11 o'clock with an update. Chuck Lofton starts tomorrow morning at 4 a.m. You guys have a good evening.